Hello everybody, welcome back to the WillssFX Forex channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a subject which not many people actually talk about in trading. The whole thing in trading right now is account flips, flipping 10 to a million, so on and so on. But yeah, I'm going to be talking about compounding your Forex account over time. But a lot of people don't actually want to get rich slowly, they want to get rich in like a week or 2 weeks. And they just take the wrong approach in their trading, in their education, and how they manage their risk in their account. I actually came across this YouTube video which was titled How to Compound $1,000 to $1.5 million in 10 months trading Forex. I just think making a video like that is just very misleading in this industry, because a lot of traders will see that and be like, I have 1,000, in 10 months I'll have 1.5 million. You're probably thinking to yourself right now, I just complained about the clickbait, the titles and stuff that other people use, and I actually did the same on this video, and that was actually to target the audience of this video to people that want to get rich quick, and so I can actually tell them the truth about Forex trading and compounding accounts and getting rich quick. If you're one of the people that click this video to get rich quick, this video is the reality for you. And in the video it talked about gaining like 2 to 5% per day or something, and obviously unless you're some master trader that has no losses, you won't be able to get 5% per day for 10 months. Like, that is unheard of, that is insane. Unless you've got like some incredible strategy which no one knows about, then go ahead, do the 1,000 to 1.5 million. But yeah, I just think it's very unrealistic. And a lot of people make these videos about how to grow your accounts and stuff just to sell their course and get customers to whatever they're doing. I just want to talk about the basics on actually how to compound your small account to a larger account. But I'm going to be realistic and not tell you it's going to take a month or 2 months or even a day or so. I do get a lot of DMs on my Instagram, which I'll pop up on the screen, and people messaging me like, how long would it take you to flip my £10 account to 10,000? People just don't realise that if you want to make it in trading in the long term and make it like a career, you can't expect someone to either one, trade for you and trade your capital, because once they've made their bit out of your account, they can just do the same with the money they made from you or with their money. Why would they want to trade your money when they could be making more by themselves? And obviously if you get someone's trade for you, then you're learning nothing from it. But say you take those losses, you take the time to learn about how to trade, you put money into education, months and months into demo trading, analysis and etc. You will grow as a trader over time. It's just best to put the work in, to get the education, get the right psychology from trading, and then put it into your trading with like live money. And two, asking me for my flip strategy and how quickly they should expect to like learn this miracle strategy that I apparently have, because I've made a flip video on YouTube before. And I'm just going to be honest, flip videos are 100% luck. When you're risking such big percentage of the account per trade whilst doing a flip, there obviously is the chance that anything can happen. The trade can just reverse and you can blow the account. But luckily the flips that I've done it in perfect conditions in like trending markets and so on. But yeah, if you want to learn about my strategy and stuff, join my VIP, message me on my Instagram, link is in the description, and yeah, you can get signed up to my VIP and learn my strategy and stuff like that. The main way to gain percentages and profits in a Forex account is to use correct risk management. I know you probably hear everyone talk about on YouTube, risk 1%, 2% per trade, but that is the realistic amount to risk per trade if you want to grow in your account. Say you're risking 5, 10, 25%, even 50% of your account, you only have 4, 5 trades max to blow your account, obviously depending on the amount you're risking per trade. But say you're risking 1, 2%, you have 100 chances to blow your account. And if you have a good win rate because of all the education you've put in, all the practice, using that small risk, you should be able to grow over time. And trading isn't a short-term get-rich-quick scheme. It does take a long time to grow your accounts. You know, if you've become profitable with a small account, say a £1,000 account, you're getting 1 to 2% a week, let's say. Although that's only around £10–20 on that account, if you take that same knowledge you have and maybe take a test to get funded, which I've done a video on before, you can get funded with up to like 300,000, and 1 to 2% on that account be £3,000 to £6,000. So if you get the knowledge and you've been able to do it consistently on a small account, try and get funded to take it onto a big account or compound your account by just growth over time. You have to use a proper risk to reward ratio. I'd say even if worst case you have a 1-to-1 with a 50% win rate, you're at break even, and yeah, you can see what you're doing wrong and try and get it up to maybe a higher win rate, or use a higher risk to reward with like a 1-to-1.5 or a 1-to-2. Obviously you don't want to be at break even the whole time, because your account would just stay still and just plateau. If you're learning and trading, I'd say don't make it your main source of income. Have another source of income, or maybe 1 or 2 others, maybe like work a job or something like that. And with this money you're earning from that job, make monthly contributions to your Forex account. And say you've got a £1,000 account and you put in £100 per month from your work or your other source of income, 1% on that account will go up every time. So although you'll lose more from your losses, but you'll make more on your wins, because 1% after, let's say you have a £1,000 account and after a month it's 1,100 from your monthly contributions, then 1% is £11, not £10. I know it doesn't seem like a big gain, but over time, over the years and the months, if you're making consistent profits as well, it all builds up and you can grow into a very large Forex account. I'd say connect your account to like MyFX book or other tracking systems, so you can actually track all your trades and your progress, percentage gains, all the profit factor, win rate, and all those different statistics that they offer on your account. Also, I'd say journal and screenshot the before and after of every single trade. You have to be disciplined with this. You can't just journal one day and then journal a week later when you make another win, but not journal your losses. You just got to be determined with your trading and disciplined. You've got to think about losses are inevitable in trading. Everyone's going to lose, so you have to write it down. Like, there's no getting away from the losses. You have to accept them, move on, and learn from them. There's no point blowing loads of accounts but not learning from it. If you keep making the same mistake over and over again, then you're never going to learn, and you'll just be stuck at that same point with blowing account after account after account. You just got to be willing to actually learn from your mistakes and learn from the markets, because they can batter you, like batter your account. You can have big losing streaks, but you got to stay focused. Don't let the losses get to you, and don't let the wins get to you either. After a winning streak, some people would be like, oh, I just won 10 trades in a row, let's stick on a big lot because I've got all this luck at the moment. Or they think, on the best trader, let's stick on a big lot size, let's double this account. If you think like that, you're definitely going to blow your account. Although it may work once or twice, overall, that's not the best way to trade. You want to get steady, consistent profits over time. As you've probably seen on my channel, if you're a subscriber, I do the £10 to £1,000 Forex challenge. Although that sounds like a flip thing where I'm doing a get rich quick, I'm actually growing the account very, very slowly. And over the 6 episodes so far, it's only up to around £130, £140. And I didn't want to be like everyone else on YouTube, growing their account, hundreds and hundreds of pounds, flipping it 10,000% overnight. I just want to be realistic in how everyone else can do it. Small, consistent profits over time. Now that account is on around £139.10. And obviously we started that with £10. That just shows you that even though that took around 6 weeks, it is possible to grow small amounts of capital in Forex. You don't need thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds to actually start and learn how to trade. So say with that account, we start with 10, and if I want to take the FTMO, which I've seen someone else do on YouTube, they did a little account challenge, and they actually used the money from the account challenge to purchase the FTMO to get a funded account. I'd say the best thing to do in trading is actually get funded if you're struggling with capital, but obviously only take the funding challenges and verifications if you're actually confident that you'll pass it and you have a track record of consistent profits on a live account. There's no point flipping a demo account on your first week of trading because there's no psychology behind it. There's no point flipping the account and then going, oh, I'm the best trader, let me put £500 in to get funded with $100,000 or however much it is to actually get those funded accounts. It would just be a waste of money and a waste of time for you, because you'll probably end up failing. You won't use proper risk management or anything like that, and they have very strict parameters which you have to stick to, and yeah, there's no point doing that if you're not 100% confident in your trading strategy, your psychology, and obviously your analysis. One of the final points I'm going to make in this video is have realistic goals. There's no point starting with an £1,000 account and then writing down your goals as to be £1 million in the next 4 weeks, 5 weeks or so on. You want to have realistic goals. Let's say aim for 10% a month for 3 months in a row, and then maybe put some more money into the account, maybe save up for those few months from your second source of income, and maybe put £5,000 in. Obviously, depending on how much you make, that might be a lot to a lot of people, and £5,000 is a lot of money. I obviously didn't have that when I started. What I'd like to say before I end this video is, if you did enjoy at any point, like and subscribe to my channel. A lot of work goes into these videos, so showing some support would be great. And yeah, just stay consistent and focused on your trading journey. Even if you're in a loss period right now, you're losing money, it does get better, and eventually you will start to become profitable if you learn from your mistakes and you put the work in. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next Forex video.